A very good afternoon to each one of you present here, and a very warm welcome to all the new faces. Yes, the new faces which we don't know but are eager to know. Today, we all have gathered here in this virtual session for a very special occasion, that is Freshers' Day celebration, to welcome all the new faces in this new world. So, first of all, I would like to extend my warm gratitude to all for giving me this beautiful opportunity to welcome all the new freshers to our small family. This is surely a very special day for all of you all, as today you all are starting a new and a fresh journey of your life, which will be full of obstacles, achievements, and milestones. This day is a day of nostalgia for many of us, with mixed feelings, feelings of confusion, fear, nervousness, excitement. But don't worry, we all are with you. We have amazing faculty members here at Assam Downtown University, which will guide you, encourage you, inculcate good values within you, and make you a better human being. In this span of 4 years, you are gonna meet a lot of people in form of friends, seniors, teachers who will guide you and will stay with you for lifetime. So be happy, be excited. It's gonna be a hell of a journey. So again, I would like to welcome all of you all. Let's celebrate this day with immense joy and happiness. So without further ado, let's start the light lamping ceremony as a tribute to Mata Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते.
Now I would like to request Dean of Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Dr. Biplav Kumar Des sir, to share his views regarding this special occasion and welcome all the freshers.
Hello students, hope you are safe and doing well in your respective places. I'm sure your online classes are going on and you all are taking those classes very seriously, because all these classes are not any less than the physical classes. We are not meeting in person in physical classrooms because of this pandemic situation, but I'm sure once the normalcy will be restored, we'll be back into the classroom. But then also we'll be exploring these virtual platforms for dissemination of knowledge and information. Well, to bring in some excitement and to extract the talent within you, Assam Downtown University has come out with an event which is very exciting one, Additive's Rising Star. Now, on this occasion of this virtual Freshers Social Day of Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, we are going to witness the talents within you. So I heartily welcome all of you to witness and encourage the participants who have participated in this virtual Freshers Social Day and also will be assessed as the rising star of Assam Downtown University. Once again, I welcome all of you. Thank you. See you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Now I would like to request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Narayan Chandra Talukdar, sir, to share his views.
Hello, my dear students. I welcome each one of you as a new member of Assam Downtown University family. We are hoping that we'll be able to welcome you inside the campus of Assam Downtown University on this Freshers' Day, but COVID-19 has deprived us from that joy. Assam Downtown University is one of the leading university of Northeast India. Its campus is located in Panikketi, about 10-12 kilometers from the center of the city. It is a beautiful campus, green campus, located by the side of mighty Brahmaputra. It's a mountainous terrain, and for your curricular and extracurricular activity, university has all the infrastructure and ambience. Besides well-equipped classrooms and laboratory for your academic career, we also have beautiful infrastructure for development of your extracurricular activity, sports activity. We have beautiful auditorium where you'll be able to perform different forms of arts. We have football field, we have volleyball field, we have basketball field, we have beautiful gymnasium, swimming pool. Once you can return, when you return to this university, you'll be able to use all this facility, and alongside your academic activity, you'll be able to enjoy your life inside a campus. So far, I'm sure you had attended some classes on digital platform. Because of this pandemic situation, the learning and teaching is happening over digital platform. And sometimes you also know that it is difficult to concentrate in digital platform, but I hope you make patience of your life as friend during this time, because the time that we lose because of this worldwide problem is not going to come back. So you have to take advantage of whatever facility of learning and teaching available with us, use it very effectively. And I would also like to give you some advice on this Freshers Day, that your earlier education, higher secondary level education or learning was quite different than what you will have during this bachelor or master degree program. Master degree and bachelor degree programs require a lot of critical thinking, analytical skill, and whatever you learn in theory from your textbook or from the class lecture, those you must be able to apply in practically. I'm sure if you pay attention to this requirement, you'll be able to become successful, and at the end of 2 years or 3 years, depending on your program, you will come out very successful with brilliant color, and the university will do its best to provide you all the facilities to see that your dream come true. With these words, I welcome you once more to Assam Downtown University and wish you all the best for your degree and postgraduate program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Now we have few speeches by the students of pharmacy. So first of all, we have Madhusmita Kumari of MPharm.
Very good afternoon to everyone present here. I, Madhusmita Kumari, stands on behalf of all MPharm final year students to welcome the MPharm first year students of both pharmaceutics and pharmacology department, which is a great privilege and honor for me. Today, we all are assembled here to celebrate the virtual Fresher Social Day for the batch 2020-21, since it is the pandemic time, but we all are eagerly waiting to know you all. This is surely to be a special day for you all, since you all are going to start a new journey with lots of new challenges. So I wholeheartedly welcome all my juniors and ensure that you will be getting every possible help, knowledge and cooperation so that you can make your life and career in a better position. So lastly, I would like to give a special thanks to our Dean of Pharmaceutical Science, Dr. Biplav Kumar De sir, and all my teachers of Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science for giving me this opportunity to welcome all our new freshers. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Madhusmita. That was lovely. Now we have Rituraj Saikha from BPharm.
নমস্কাৰ মই ঋতুৰাজ শইকীয়া BPharm থাৰ্ড সেমিষ্টাৰ পোনপ্ৰথমে নৱাগত সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ অশেষ ধন্যবাদ জনাইছোঁ মোক নৱাগত সকলোকে আদৰণি জনাবলৈ সুবিধা দিয়াৰ বাবে ধন্যবাদ আৰু কৃতজ্ঞতা জনাইছোঁ বিভাগীয় মুৰব্বী প্ৰফেচাৰ ডক্টৰ বিপ্লৱ কুমাৰ দে ছাৰ লগতে সন্মানীয় শিক্ষাগুৰুসকল অসম ডাউনটাউন বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়। আমি সকলোৱে জানো অনুজ অগ্ৰজসকলে ভাতৃত্ববোধেৰে থাকিলেহে এখন শিক্ষানুষ্ঠানৰ সুস্থ শৈক্ষিক বাতাবৰণ অটুট থাকিব। আমাৰ অস্তিত্ব আমাৰ সৃষ্টিৰ ওপৰত নিৰ্ভৰশীল। সেই সৃষ্টিৰ দিশতেই আগুৱাই যাওক প্ৰতিগৰাকী নৱাগত। পুনৰবাৰ প্ৰতিগৰাকী নৱাগতক মোৰ ফালৰ পৰা আন্তৰিক শুভকামনা জ্ঞাপন কৰি মোৰ দুআষাৰ সামৰিছোঁ। ধন্যবাদ।
Thank you, Rituraj. Now we have another speech by Rupaya Dhar of DPharm second year.
Good afternoon to our respected dean, respected teachers, and to all the fresh new faces who are present here today. I am Rupaya Dhar, and on behalf of DPharm second year, would like to give thanks to our respected dean, Professor Dr. Biplab Kumar De Sir of Pharmaceutical Department, Assam Downtown University, for giving me this opportunity to deliver a warm welcome speech to all the freshers. This is a special event for you as you all are starting a journey that we have just completed. It is a day of happiness, warmth, love and emotion. Life is a long journey with many ups and downs in it, but I can tell you all that after completing the graduation from this institute, you will surely going to remember the value of the institute as a memorable journey of your life. Thank you.
Thank you, Rupaya. This is one of those days where everyone participates and showcases their talents and passion. So now is the most exciting part of this afternoon. We will start with the cultural program. So without wasting further time, I would like to welcome Prastuti Saria of BPharm First Sem with a dance performance. All the very best to her.
Hello everyone, I am Prastuti Saharia from BPharm First Sem, Assam Downtown University. Today I am going to perform a dance for Freshman Social Day. Thank you.
गीत ताल ताल नाचे ताल ताल नाचे संसाले भी होगी गीत ताल ताल नाचे ताल ताल नाचे संसाले भी होगी
Thank you, Prastuti, for a lovely performance. Now we have a song by Juganta Das of BPharm First Sem.
Hello guys, my name is Juganta Das and I am from BPharm First Semesters of ADTU. So guys, today I am going to mess up two of my original songs for the occasion of the cultural competition going on at ADTU. So I hope you all will like it. So let's get started.
Thank you, Juganta, for the lovely performance. Now we have a song by Harshita Barua of BPharm Third Sem.
Hello everyone, it's Harshita Barua, BPharm 3rd semester student. At the very outset, I'd like to express my best compliments to you all on the occasion of the Freshers' Day. Today, I'm privileged to stand before you to welcome all the junior friends of mine. I must congratulate them all for selecting the best department in a university. Therefore, I'd like to express my happiness through a very close song of mine, which is so close to my heart, and hope everyone will enjoy. Thank you.
की पतंग को काटे है तुझे से कटके गिरे तेरे छत पे आके है माझा तेरा तेज इधर की पतंग को काटे है तुझे से कटके गिरे तेरे छत पे आके है मेरी जान चली जाए है जो तोड़ के देखे है तुझे से कटके गिरे तेरे छत पे आके है माझा तेरा तेज दिल की पतंग को काटे हैं फुरूर ही जाए है माझा तेरा देश ये दिल की पतंग को काटे है तुझे से हटके गिरे तेरी छत पे आके है
Thank you, Harshita. You have a very melodious voice. Now we have a dance performance by Riya Sharma of BPharm first semester.
Namaste. Hello everyone. Myself Riya Sharma from BPharm department is going to perform a Nepali dance in front of you all. Hope you all will like it. Thank you.
कदम चाला आगे पाछे कमर दाया बाया कदम चाला आगे पाछे कमर दाया बाया बच्चो उठो बच्चो उठो बच्चो उठो बच्चो उठो जाओ रे गीत माना Sorry, hey Maya. Sorry, hey, sorry, hey, sorry, hey Maya. Shabas. Magaluko. Gintang gintang jati bajo chadka hey jati bajo chadka nachange ko nachma pani utiya ka jhadka hey utiya ka jhadka git gaune gitangele halno chito bhaga chak parun makhai parun nacha
Thank you, Riya. Now we have a song by Kuljit Kumar Das of BPharm first semester.
নমস্কাৰ মোৰ নাম কুলজিত কুমাৰ দাস ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট বি ফাৰ্মৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট চেমৰ ষ্টুডেণ্ট ধন্যবাদ
কলম শক্তি মনত ভক্তি কলাৰ প্ৰতি নামানুহাৰ আহক বাধা বিঘিনি গান বাজিব উজনিৰ পৰা নামনি তেজক খামক এক কৰি কৰিম সপোন তেজক খামক এক কৰি কৰিম সপোন তেজক খামক এক কৰি কৰিম সপোন শিল্পী নাই মোৰ জাত এটাই নাম শিল্পী মাতো শিল্পী কাম কৰো মন দি গৌৰৱ কৰো অসমীয়া বুলি
Thank you, Kuljit. That was lovely. Now we have a poem recitation by Gayatri Bharadwaj of DPharm second year.
নমস্কাৰ কবিতাৰ শিৰোনামা সাগৰ দেখিছা কবি দেৱকান্ত বৰুৱা আবৃত্তি গায়ত্ৰী ভৰদ্বাজ DPharm second year Pharmaceutical Science আসাম ডাউনটাউন ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি সাগৰ দেখিছা দেখা নাই কেতিয়াও ময়ো দেখা নাই শুনিছোঁ তথাপি নীলিম সলিলে ৰাখেৰে বাধাহীন উৰ্মিমালা আছে দূৰ দিগন্ত বিয়পি মোৰ এই অন্তৰখনি সাগৰৰ দৰে নীলা বেদনাৰে দেখা নাই তুমি উঠিছে মৰিছে যত বাসনাৰ লক্ষ্য ঢৌ তোমাতেই স্মৃতিৰ সীমা চুমি শুনা নাই মোৰ সাগৰত তুমি শুনা নাই ধুমুহাৰ উত্তাল সংগীত বুজা নাই অনুভৱো কৰা নাই মোৰ ফুলনিত বসন্তৰ কোমল ইংগিত দেখিছা তোৰাম ধেনু বৰষাৰ ডাৱৰত পোহৰৰ মোহন গৌৰৱ প্ৰেমৰ পোহৰ দীপ্তত মোৰ হিয়াৰ আকাশত ৰঙৰ উৎসৱ দেখিছানে মাজনিশা কেতিয়াবা সাৰ পাই শুনিছানে কেতেকীৰ হিয়া ভগা মাত ভাবিছানে এটিবাৰ পক্ষীৰ ডিঙিত কান্দে মানুহৰ বুকৰ সংবাদ মই জানো তুমি কিটো জানা হে মোৰ হিয়াহীন প্ৰিয়া তুমি জানা মাথো তুমি মই তুমিতো নাজানা হাই কিয় বাৰু আমি গাথো জয় পৰা মালতীৰে জয়ৰ গৌৰৱ মালা মিলনৰ কাৰেং সোণালীত সাজু কিয় পৃথিৱীৰ দুখৰ বোকাৰে আমি হৃদয়ৰ ৰঙা তেজ ঢালি প্ৰখালো প্ৰতিমাৰ চৰণ কিয় তুমি নুবুজিবা কিনো বেদনাত হস্তিত প্ৰতিষ্ঠা কৰা দেৱীক বিসৰ্জ আমি বিজয়ৰ বিফল সন্ধ্যাত সন্ধিয়া আহিছে নামি থৌখেৰা নালাগে জ্বলাব চাকি দুনয়নৰ সহজ প্ৰভাৰে আজি নখিবা তিমিৰ তুমি মোৰ জগতৰ নমস্কাৰ
That was marvelous. Now we have a dance performance by Krishti Pegu of BPharm first semester.
Hello everyone, I am Krishti Pegu, a student of BPharm first semester. On the occasion of Virtual Placement Social 2020, I would like to perform amazing traditional dance. Hope you people will enjoy it.
Christy. Now we have a song by Dhiraj Bora of DPharm first year.
মোৰ নাম শ্ৰী ধীৰাজ বৰা মই এবাৰ ডিফাৰ্মৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট ছেমিষ্টাৰ ষ্টুডেণ্ট মই আজি জুবিন গাৰ্গৰ আহে বানাহে ঘুমতি গানটো আপোনালোকৰ আগত গাবলৈ লৈছোঁ যদি কিবা ভুল ভ্ৰান্তি হয় ক্ষমা কৰি দিব আহে বানাহে ঘুমতি আহিবা ৰাতি সপোনকে লৈ থাকে বানা থাকে হাওনৰে ধৰ তুমি মৰমৰে লৈ দুপাকি মেলি অমিৰে আহি দিয়ে পানী দিয়ে ফাগুনৰে খবৰ তুমি দুবা যেন মোলৈ আহে বানাহে ঘুমতি আহিবা ৰাতি সপোনকে লৈ চুৱে বানো চুৱে নিয়ৰে শেৱালি মাহিতি হৰতে চুৱে বানো চুৱে নিয়ৰে শেৱালি মাহিতি হৰতে নাচে বানা নাচে সোণাকে তুমি শুন নাচিবা মোৰে হিয়াতে ৰৈ আহে বানাহে ঘুমতি আহিবা ৰাতি সপোনকে লৈ জোৰে বানো জোৰে দিনো মৰমৰে নাজনীকে পাওঁ জোৰে বানো জোৰে দিনো মৰমৰে নাজনীকে পাওঁ বহে বানো বহে ফুলতে গৈ ৰঙিলী পখিলী তুমি ভাগতে থৈ আহে বানাহে ঘুমতি আহিবা ৰাতি সপোনকে লৈ থাকে বানা থাকে হাওনৰে ঘৰ তুমি মৰমৰে লৈ দুপাকি মেলি অমিৰে আহি দিয়ে পানী দিয়ে ফাগুনৰে খবৰ তুমি দুবা যেন মোলৈ আহে বানাহে ঘুমতি আহিবা ৰাতি সপোনকে লৈ ধন্যবাদ।
Thank you for the performance. Now we have Rituraj Saikhya of BPharm 3rd Sem with a song.
ঘেৰুবাহী তোকো বৰ ভাল পাওঁ দেহি মোৰ বাহী তোকো বৰ ভাল পাওঁ দেহি তোৰ সুৰৰ আচল ধৰি বহু দূৰ যাওঁ গুচি কোনো বাহি তোক বৰ ভাল পাওঁ দেহি ময়ো গুচি যাওঁ ভৈয়ামে দয়াঙে কৰবালে আমলখি হাবিত যেনেকৈ হৰিণ নিচৰে ময়ো গুচি যাওঁ ভৈয়ামে দয়াঙে কৰবালে তোৰ সুৰৰ আচল ধৰি বহুদূৰ যাওঁ গুচি কোনো পূৰ্ণিমা ৰাতি তোৰ সুৰৰ আচল ধৰি বহুদূৰ যাওঁ গুচি কোনো পূৰ্ণিমা ৰাতি দেৰুবাহী তোক বৰ ভাল পাওঁ দেহি
Thank you for a rocking performance. Now we have Amisha Sultana Hussain of B.Pharm First Sem with a dance performance.
A very good morning to everyone. My name is Amisha Sultana Hussain of B.Pharm First Semester. On the occasion of Virtual Freshers, I would like to perform a dance. Hope you all will enjoy it.
અને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ મૌસમ છે अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे होई गई रात અને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ મૌસમ છે अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा गाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात गाड़ा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे गाड़ा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे छुप के तुम्हें देखा मैं करूं सारी सारी रात
छुप छुप के मुझे देखा तू कर सारी सारी रात
मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा जहां गाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात गाड़ा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात।
Now there will be a music performance by Raj Sujit Jahan of BPharm First Sem. Thank you, Raj. Your performance is worth appreciating. Now we have a dance performance by Rishika Kashyap of BPharm First Sem.
Hello guys, I am Rishika Kashyap from BPharm First Sem. On the occasion of Freshers, I would like to perform a dance.
Thank you for the performance. Now we have a music performance by Kuljit Kumar Das of BPharm First Sem.
নমস্কাৰ মোৰ নাম কুলজিত কুমাৰ দাস মই ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট বি ফাৰ্মৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট চেমৰ ষ্টুডেণ্ট ধন্যবাদ
was spectacular. Now we have a song by V. Balajit Mauri of B.Pharm 3rd Sem.
Hello respected teachers, my name is Balajit Mauri and I'm from B.Pharm 3rd Sem, and today I'm going to be singing a song called What a Wonderful World. Oh, I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and for you. And I think to myself, oh, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow are so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I see babies cry, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Thank you for the performance. Now we have a dance performance by Smitashri Talukdar of B.Pharm 1st Sem.
First of all, a heartiest thanks to the authority of Downtown University for organizing the virtual freshers. For all the first semester students, myself Smitashri Talukdar from B.Pharm 1st semester.
Nasi
Now there is a song by Prasiddha Gogai of B.Pharm First Sem.
নমস্কাৰ মই প্ৰসিদ্ধা গগৈ B.Pharm ফাৰ্ষ্ট ছেমিষ্টাৰৰ ষ্টুডেণ্ট এতিয়া মই আপোনালোকৰ আগত নাহিদ আফ্ৰিনৰ ধুনীয়া জোন গানটো গাবলৈ লৈছোঁ ইয়াত যদি কিবা ভুল হয় ক্ষমা কৰিব
दुनिया
Thank you for the performance. Now there is a song by Jeevan Jyoti Datta of DPharm second year.
মনে যদি তোকে চকুলো নিচুকাই দিবানে ও দেউতা সপোনে যদি হেৰাই ঠিকনা বিচাৰি দিবানে ও দেউতা ভোকত যদি বিষাই বুকু তুমি কান্দিবানে দেউতা জীৱন যদি হয় ভাগৰুৱা জিৰাব দিবানে ও দেউতা ও দেউতা খোজে খোজে তুমি মোৰ ছায়া শব্দৰে শেষ নহয় তোমাৰ কথা ও মোৰ দেউতা মনে যদি তোকে চকুলো নিচুকাই দিবানে ও দেউতা অশ্ৰুথুনুকা হ'ল স্মৃতিবোৰ ধূসৰ হ'ল অশ্ৰুথুনুকা হ'ল স্মৃতিবোৰ ধূসৰ হ'ল নোৱাৰো টানিব দুখৰ বোজা নোৱাৰো সাজিব প্ৰেমৰ পজা মৰমে যদি বিচাৰে আশ্ৰয় তুমি দিবানে ও দেউতা সাহসৰ যদি হয় পৰাজয় তুমি থাকিবানে দেউতা এবাৰ মাতিবানে দেউতা কোলাত ল'বানে মোক ও দেউতা হিয়াখন জোৰাবানে ও দেউতা ও মোৰ যদি তোকে চকুলো নিচুকাই দিবানে ও দেউতা সপোনে যদি হেৰাই ঠিকনা বিচাৰি দিবানে ও দেউতা
Thank you for the great performance. Now we have Arshad Alam of BPharm first sem with a dance performance.
Looking through the Adrian. Creatures lying here, looking through the creatures lying here, looking through
First name greatest, like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with. Started off local, but thanks to all the haters, I know G4 pilots on a first name basis. In your city, faded off the ground. Nino, she insists she got more class. Nino, swimming in the money, come and find me. Nemo, if I was at the club, you know I balled. Chemo, dropped a mixtape, that shit sounded like an album. Who would thought a countrywide tour be the outcome? Labels want my name beside an X like Malcolm. Everybody got a deal, I did it without one. Yeah, nigga, I'm about my business. Killing all these rappers, you would swear I had a hit list. Everyone who doubted me is asking for forgiveness. If you ain't been a part of it, at least you got to witness. Bitches.
creatures lying here, looking through the down. Take my hand, stop, put and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, boy, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in the closet, don't mind me, say go. Let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with your body. With the body. I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of. Hey. The shape of. The shape of you. The shape of. Hey. I'm in love with the shape of you.
Thank you for the energetic performance. Now we have Dhiraj Bora of D Farm first year with a music performance.
নমস্কাৰ মোৰ নাম শ্ৰী ধীৰাজ বৰা মই ডি ফাৰ্ম ফাৰ্ষ্ট ছেমিষ্টাৰৰ ষ্টুডেণ্ট আৰু মই এতিয়া আপোনালোকৰ আগত কফিং ডেন্সটো গীটাৰত এবাৰ প্লে কৰি দিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিছোঁ আৰু তাত যদি কিবা ভুল ভ্ৰান্তি হয় ক্ষমা কৰিব ধন্যবাদ
Thank you for the lovely performance. Now we have Arnav Nilam Barua of B Farm first sem with a dance performance.
ओ गल सुन ले खुल के करी उम्मीदा ना मेरे तो वे हुण रुस के तू वे सोचेंगी मैं आवांगा पीछे करदा मैं आ सब तो ज्यादा प्यार था तेनू ते समझी ना हाँ में हवाला सनम मैनू ओ कुड़िए तू समझी ना सनम मैनू सनम मैनू सनम मैनू उन्नत करदा ना मैं तेरी तारीफा सारे अनूवे बस दादा ही मेरा तरीका प्यार दा है वे इसको वक्त की आस रखी ना मेरे तो तू ते समझी ना हाँ में हवाला सनम मैनू ओ कुड़िए तू समझी ना सनम मैनू सनम मैनू सनम मैनू सनम मैनू सनम मैनू
Thank you, Arnav. As they say, time and tide waits for none. With this, we come to the last performance of this afternoon, which is by Riya Sharma expressing her views regarding life and her choices.
It's IPL season, so let's start with cricket. Consider your life to be a cricket match where you are holding bat and ball as the problems. If you miss any ball, you're lost, but surely you can try other. Hello everyone, myself Riya Sharma on behalf of Department of Pharmaceutical Science is going to give a short speech on this wonderful occasion. School, a horror place for children and a peaceful place for teenagers. Remember the first day in your school? वो भी क्या दिन थे. The place where I cried not to go that day. The place where I cried not to go that day. I crave for going today. My English teacher truly said, we value things when it is lost. Choosing science as my career was an easy and simple decision for me. But for my dad, it was like toughest of all. He was like, बेटा और एक बार सोच लो, my friends tell science बहुत tough होता है. To all those friends, have you studied science? No, right? So how do you know science is tough? People nowadays hold their own stereotypes and consider that as a fact. By the way, I mustn't say science is easy, but still, if your basic isn't clear, you will face problem in any of the stream, isn't it? Now, I passed 12 and it was time for me to make another important decision of my life. After attending so many career counseling sessions, I concluded that I want to pursue B Pharma as my career. Again, my dad is like, my friends tell B Pharma isn't easy. I don't know from where those friends got idea about this course if they haven't tried. Of course, I am not here for ordinary things in life. I want my life to be shandar. So I accept this as a challenge and let's hope for the best. And I also believe that the first step of getting success is getting started. As I have started, I will obviously try hard and I will obviously make sure that I achieve success very soon. And if you are holding back, you will also get a full toss and also a perfect Yorker ball. Hit whenever you get a chance. Shine wherever you go. Obviously, making a decision in air wouldn't work. But if you're really confident and if you really see yourself somewhere, then do whatever it takes. The people giving suggestions and problems aren't going to live your life. You will. So try hard and be focused. At last, I would like to conclude by saying that you can accomplish whatever your mind sets to. Praying for all of your success and pray for me too. Thank you.
Thank you, Ria, for the marvelous performance. On this special occasion today, we have organized a drawing competition. So all the participants have worked really hard. So now we will be showcasing the drawings drawn by all the participants. Wow, the paintings were lovely, isn't it? So the winners of this competition will be announced by our HOD of the department, Dr. Minmay Basak sir.
Hello. dear students, first of all, I want to welcome all of you to the Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Assam Downtown University. I am Dr. Minno Bosak, HOD, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science. I will take your pharmacognosy class during your third year, fourth year. Anyway, so I hope all of you already have attended the classes and all. I think all of you understood what is about pharmacy and all. And during the journey of your this 4 year or second year or 2 year, you will learn a lot about the pharmacy, as well as you will enjoy the scenic beauty of Assam Downtown University. Anyway, so this is the most awaited time for all of us to know the position of first, second, position of first and second of the defined competition, which is held during your freshers, and you have participated. Don't waste so much time. I am going to reveal the name of the participant who got the first position and second position. So maximum of you know or you can guess who can hold the position. Anyway, so first competition was the song. The song category. First position goes to Juganto Das, Bachelor of Pharmacy, and second position goes to Proshidho Gogoi, Bachelor of Pharmacy. Congratulations both of you. Well done, and congratulations again once more. Congratulations for both of you. Second competition was dance competition. First position goes to Prastuli Chaharia, Bachelor of Pharmacy again. Second position also goes to Bachelor of Pharmacy Arshad Alom. So congratulations both of you. Well done, and study well as well as dance well. Thank you. Next competition is music competition. Here the first position goes to Diploma of Pharmacy Dhiraj Bora, and second position goes to Bachelor of Pharmacy Raj Shujit Jahan. Well done, Dhiraj and Raj. Congratulations both of you. Then drawing competition. In this category, the first position goes to Vikash Bora, Diploma of Pharmacy. Second position goes to Deepam Jyoti Shaikia, Bachelor of Pharmacy. Well done, Vikash and Deepam, and congratulations both of you. Then last category, it was recitation competition. Recitation. Here the Bachelor of Pharmacy goes to Bachelor of Pharmacy Riya Sharma. Congratulations Riya for your recitation and extracurricular activities. So again I am saying that all of you, if you face any kind of problem, any type of problem during the journey of your Assam Downtown University, you can easily contact with us. You can approach us. You can call us anytime. You can call us anytime. You can consult with us. We are there to help you. So congratulations for everyone, and once more again I am welcoming all of you to the Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Assam Downtown University. Stay well during this COVID and after this COVID also, and hope we'll meet soon and we'll take physical class after this pandemic once it's over. Anyway, thank you. Stay well.
So with this we come to the end of today's program. I hope you all had a lovely time. I thoroughly enjoyed myself. On behalf of Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Assam Downtown University, I feel privileged to convey my heartiest thanks to Honorable Chancellor Dr. N.N. Datta Sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Narayan Chandra Talukdar Sir, Honorable Dean of Studies Dr. Bandana Datta Ma'am, and all the trustee members for sharing their precious time and valuable words. I convey my profound gratitude to the Dean of Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Dr. Biplav Kumar De Sir, for his valuable suggestions and guidance and every possible support, which is the key of success of this event. I thank all the dignitaries of Assam Downtown University for accepting our invitation and to be a part of this memorable event. I would like to thank all the faculty members for their collaborative effort and continuous support, without which this event couldn't reach to this level of success. And I would like to thank all the students for their effortless participation in this event. Lastly, I would like to thank the IT team for their technical support as well as the media persons for covering this event. Thank you.